Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Rakhi Yadav, your PMRF teaching assistant for Pericyclic Reactions and Organic Photochemistry course, which is conducted by NPTEL and whose course instructor is Professor Sankara Raman from IIT Madras. So, students, in last week we have covered all the name reactions which are involved in your photochemical reactions. We will revise them today also. But before going to today's slides, can you tell me which named reactions we studied in last tutorial session for photochemical reaction? Can you name them one by one? Pinky?
Ma'am,
First, we
D-Mayo,
have studied Norwich type 1, right?
Norwich type 1, Norwich type 2,
Yes.
D-Mayo, then Barton, and what's it called?
Dipymethane rearrangement,
Methane rearrangement also.
D-Meio's reaction,
Norwich type 2, dipymethane, D-Mayo, Paternobucci, and Hoffman. Loeffler.
Loeffler-Freytag reaction, right? So at the end of the class, we have also covered Wolff rearrangement. So
Hmm.
let's have a recap of this reaction. Then we will solve one question based on this. Okay. So what happens, students? In heat or H mu, what will happen? This N2 molecule will liberate, right? Now you think this is your diazoketone. This is its resonating structure, correct? Now this oxygen negative charge will go back and will bring here negative charge, right, onto this carbon attached to R2. And when this N2 molecule will leave, it will leave as a neutral molecule. So in order to leave this molecule as a neutral, it will have negative charge and it will leave here positive, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you remember my previous class, a carbon which bears both positive and negative charge is nothing but your carbene. Okay. For example, its a famous example is CHCl3NaOH. Role of NaOH is to abstract this proton. Okay. Then three chlorines are there, and if anyhow one chlorine will knock off as Cl minus, it will leave here positive charge, right? So this is nothing but your carbene. Once carbene formed, it changed into ketene, which can undergo two reactions. If there is any nucleophile present, for example here H2, it will trap this ketene, and this ketene can also undergo 2 plus 2 cycloaddition with this olefin. Everything is clear in this reaction, or you want me to tell ma'am how this ketene is forming?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Clear.
want me to tell?
No, ma'am. It's fine. Hmm.
Okay. For other student, what was her name? Shrabashti, if I am pronouncing your name correctly. Clear now everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. If everything is too clear, take 30 seconds time and tell me how to start this problem. What will be your first step? If you want, I can show you this slide for once. You can take hint from here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do.
Hmm.
And Pinky, whatever questions you have given me last time, we will solve in today's session. Okay, in further slides. Okay, let's solve this. I hope in first step, first tell me, can you imagine this type of molecule?
Yes, ma'am. This
Okay,
is
okay, good. See, your first step should be here carbene will form. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Now, whatever I am doing, it is only for sake of understanding. You can take this as a positive negative charge, carbene, right?
Mm.
Now, this negative charge will go here, this charge will go here. What it will form?
It is ketene.
And let me show you step by procedure so that it can be revised. See, negative charge is going, positive charge is intact. Yes or no? This
Yes, ma'am.
will form double bond O negative. I hope this till this point everything is clear.
Mm.
Now this oxygen lone pair will come back. Now which bond can break? Obviously this bond can break. And in what way it should break? So that positive charge come here. Why? This positive negative can combine and will form your ketene. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you imagine this structure? Here there will be negative charge and onto this carbon. What will happen? Shrabashti, this step is clear. How ketene is forming? Positive, negative, they are combining ketone. And now this bond, I'm just telling for understanding. Now this bond will combine here. And what structure you will get directly? Let me write. Now tell me, am I correct or I have made mistake anywhere? Pinky, is it correct? Is there any confusion anywhere? Am I audible, students? Shrabashti, Pinky, please reply. Am I audible? It's okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Now, see, there is no olefinic partner. Only methanol is present here as a solvent. So, what it will do? It will do nucleophilic addition onto this. So, methanol will attack. What it will form? Double bond O negative OMe. This step is clear. Now, ketoenol tautomerase will take place. It will form CO2 Me. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can draw these structures clearly. Due to my pen type problem, they are looking like this. But I hope solution is clear to you. First, carbene will form in presence of photochemical condition, then followed by formation of ketene, and at last ketene will be attacked by your solvent molecule, which is methanol. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. If clear, this is your problem number 2, as you have asked me in last session. I hope you have attended Sir's lecture. Now all the week's lecture have been uploaded. You can go through them, then solve these tutorials. Okay, before solving this question, I will write some cycloaddition. You have to tell me whether they require heating condition or thermal condition. Okay, both of you have to answer. For 4 plus 2,
Thermal.
thermal. Okay. For 2 plus 2,
Photochemical.
for 2 plus 2 of ketene and olefin.
Mm. Ketene is thermal, ma'am.
Yes. For paternobuki.
Buki photochemical.
Very good. And let's say if I write 4 plus 4,
Mm. 4 plus 4. Mm.
okay, have you remember? I have told you how to decide whether this will require heating or thermal on basis of even and odd electron pair. Okay, tell me in 4 plus 2 reaction, total number of pi electrons involved are 6.
6.
6 by 2, 3. So they are odd pair of electron pair. Okay, odd pair requires thermal condition, guys, students, and even pair requires photochemical. So since here photochemical condition is there, 2 plus 2
Mm.
can't happen between these obvious
Mm.
reasons. This will
Yes.
not take parts in cycloaddition. This will not take part. Only
Mm.
this central ring will take part in cycloaddition. Why? So that at least aromaticity of two ring can be intact. So,
Mm.
whenever students, you can write it in your notebook. Whenever you come across this anthracene or naphthalene type of system and central ring having electron withdrawing or electron donating substituents. I am repeating, whenever you come across anthracene or naphthalene in which one of the ring having electron withdrawing or electron donating group and on arrow H mu is written, you go for 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 cycloaddition reaction. Means these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, they will do cycloaddition with another molecule of these four. So 4 plus 4. Let me show you correct picture. Wait. This I have taken from Sir's lecture slides. So see, here if there is X is your electron withdrawing group or it can be electron donating group also. In HMU, what has happened is these four electrons have taken part in cycloaddition. So this is head of your first molecule and this is also head of your first molecule. So this is your head on overlap or head on cycloaddition. Understood?
Ma'am, this head on, I don't understood. How come it is head on?
Okay. I understand. See, you have this molecule, this anthracene molecule. For example, like this, you have, and nitro group
Mm.
is above. Okay,
Mm.
and onto this you have to do 4 plus 4 cycloaddition between similar molecule, right?
Mm.
Now let's say this molecule is like this, and NO2 is here, and
Mm.
and you are placing same molecule onto its above position. So NO2 will go other side, right? How should I explain it? Just give me a minute. See,
If one or one above the other, ma'am, then the second molecule is the will form, no, just above one and another, means one is bottom, another one is top. If
no, actually,
in the same time.
this we have to understand by that polarity rule. Let me draw for you. Just wait. Okay, so you are facing problem in drawing this final product, right? Let's say we have just this molecule. Polarity wise, students, if you look at and you have another molecule. Okay, let's understand. You know one thing very well, that polarity wise if you look at it, Here it will be negative charge. Here will be your double bond. Here will be your positive charge. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And if you look at this molecule will also have this same polarity. Negative charge and positive charge. Right. Now students see, if you want these molecules to have 4 plus 4 cycloaddition, this negative will go with this carbon. Yes or no?
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it will be like this. This is your simple carbon. This just wait. Is this thing clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Positive,
Is this
negative will
thing
form the
clear to you ki if two molecules of same type are have to do head on overlap, they will be in opposite side. Why?
mm,
Because due to polarity, this
mm,
negative charge will want this positive charge and this positive charge will require this negative charge, so they are opposite.
mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, when it is head on overlap, they are in opposite side. When they are having head to tail overlap, they are in same side. Now tell me your doubt.
Yeah.
Clear na? What is happening
Mm.
here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then how come this head to tail bond will form? If head on means opposite charge will form the bond, then head to tail, how come they will form?
This explanation I have given you on basis of this charge, right? Now you just think, if you flip this molecule, or you can say that in that case this has, for only understanding purpose, you can say this has meet to this position, same side. But in
Mm.
that case, that molecule you have taken in opposite way.
Mm.
You understood what I want to convey from here? If in one ring nitro is above, you will take
Mm.
that anthracene in which NO2 is downside.
Downside, huh?
Yeah, clear.
Then how the other product will form, ma'am? When both the NO2s will be the same side?
Which second one?
Huh, second one.
Second one for I'm saying only. Just opposite to one which I have described here. Actually, see, here I am explaining you how they are calling. Here I am explaining that why they are calling it head on overlap. As far as I
Okay.
can understand,
Hmm.
head on overlap means they are going by polarity, that positive negative negative positive, but head to
Hmm.
tail, positive positive and negative negative. You can understand from here. If someone asks you at
What, ma'am? Your voice was breaking. Head to tail means?
I couldn't understand what you are asking. Could you please
Ma'am,
repeat?
your voice was breaking because of the network issue. What,
Okay, okay,
that head
okay.
to tail.
Let me check my network. My screen is visible and am I audible, right?
Now it's fine, ma'am.
Okay, now ask me.
Now, this head on, I understood. Now, head to tail, can you tell me once? Means how head to tail bond is forming?
I'm saying now, for that understanding, you can just Not by that way. You have to just think about two possibilities. Either they can meet in this form, or
Hmm.
they can meet directly, negative negative, positive positive. So this is your head to tail overlap.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
You just have, I think this question is asked in MCQ type, right? Or you have to draw there.
No, no, I have to draw there. It was CHO.
Okay.
Then I have to draw there.
Okay, let's move to photochemistry of aromatic compounds. So, students, in last lecture, I have seen in Sir's lecture that he has discussed photochemistry of aromatic compound. And if someone calls aromatic, first compound that comes into our mind is benzene. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So there they have explained that the primary photochemical processes can be classified as in these three ways. In first way, okay, if I ask you what type of transition will take place, obviously it have pi bonds to so in the presence of photochemical condition it can undergo pi to pi star. Yes or
Hmm.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
So in students pi to pi star, if they are going from singlet state, okay, from singlet state they can go to an intermediate which is in zwitterionic form. Z stands for zwitterionic form. I will explain everything, just be with me. And they can lead to product formation. In another case, they can go through singlet state, but they will go through funnel mechanism. Funnel mechanism means there will be no intermediate involved. They will directly transform to your product. One is your with intermediate, one is your without intermediate. And at last, in triplet excited state, they will go in diradical form. D stands for diradical form. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you just take your pen and copy. Then only you will understand.
Hmm.
See, if someone asks you, forget about this slide. If someone asks you how you will form this system through benzene,
Hmm.
tell me quickly what you will do. It is simple,
Ma'am,
na?
hmm.
You just have to. You be with me. I will explain you. You
Radical.
will break this bond like this, right?
Hmm.
Now you will break this bond.
Hmm.
Radical combine, and then at last these two radicals can combine. So this is
Hmm.
the mechanism for your okay, which type of benzene it is?
Dual benzene.
Exactly. Because it is like wall, this central bond. So this is your triplet by diradical way. In
Hmm.
zwitterionic, what you have to do, what I used to do actually, how you have to go through that intermediate. See, you have to make cyclopropane like this. Okay. If you are making cyclopropane, if here positive charge is coming, we will start from this carbon, right? Positive, and here if negative charge is there, this negative will attack onto this carbon in order to form cyclopropane. Yes or no? Let me explain again. Positive, negative. This negative charge will attack onto this carbon, right? If this carbon attacks, here it will be negative charge.
Hmm.
Have you understood how I have formed this zwitterionic intermediate?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the this one resonating structures, and from this you can draw every other resonating structure easily.
Hmm.
Okay. And at last, this is your S node. In singlet excited state, only bonds will rearrange. This will come here. I hope you understand. They were benzene
Ma'am,
mechanism. This
ma'am,
zwitterionic.
other
Huh.
two other resonating structure how to draw? Can you show
Okay.
once?
Yeah, I can show you. In that case, if this is negative, right?
Mm.
Like this. Clear? You have to start from here. One bond. Whatever polarity you need, you can start from here.
Oh,
Or you are asking ma'am how to write directly from this to this. You want to ask this.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for that we can try if we can write directly.
Mm.
Uh, if let's say we need a negative charge here. Okay, let me try. Positive, negative, and this bond will go there and this bond will come. Have you understood how I have written? Let me explain you again. You start from this carbon now. ठीक है? Oh, sorry. You start from this carbon. This will be positive, negative, right? This
Mm.
negative will combine with this, and you will get this cyclopropane with positive charge. Till this point, everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you do this negative charge here and break this bond. You will
Mm.
get this intermediate. Actually,
Okay.
this is only practice. You have to just draw and copy and draw various resonating structure.
Mm. Mm.
In order to go from this to this, you have to break this bond.
Mm.
Clear?
Mm.
More doubts?
Ma'am, this
For
kind of
example, you may ask ma'am how to go from here. Now you can simply go here and break this bond. You will get your answer right now. Because this, see, negative, if this bond breaks, positive, negative.
mm.
This negative, positive, double bond. And this
Mm.
negative, positive, double bond. Right?
Mm. Mm.
Actually, this double bond, they have written it in plus negative form. In real,
Uh,
it is benzene only, na?
mm.
Yeah. Ask me if you have other doubts on this slide.
Ma'am, this kind of question will come in exam.
Which type of question will come in exam? We will discuss now after this slide. Now you just tell me, can you write any resonating form? How I am going from one resonating to other resonating form?
Mm-hmm.
Clear na?
Ma'am, what does it mean? The BR biradical.
Yeah, yeah, biradical, exactly. Biradical. And second one is Witter ionic form. More doubts onto this slide?
Mm.
Okay. Um, this you can do. Let me revise you. If it is written over there that if that wavelength is less than 254 or 200 nanometer, it will go through your biradical form. And if your reaction is going through biradical, which will form this diver benzene, right? You can remember this thing, students. If on arrow it is written h mu less than 200 or 250, you should go through by triplet go through biradical pathway. Biradical pathway lead to diver benzene. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Pinky, clear now?
Yes,
if
ma'am.
if 254 nanometer or greater than that, then you have to go through S1 pathway. And you very well know that S1 pathway lead to this Zwitter ionic intermediate, right? This is nothing but this
Mm.
negative. They have just written resonating form, right? Because this positive can be here only, double bond can be here, correct?
Mm.
Okay. So they are saying first you can go through this. How they have confirmed that they are getting this Zwitter ionic intermediate? Because when they irradiated this benzene with this light and they throw this CH3OD, what they got this? How they
Mm.
got this? You very well know that in CH3OD this is O minus and this is deuteron. Deuteron will
Mm.
be trapped by this negative charge, and this OCH3 will be trapped by this carbocation, and you will get this product. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How they are getting this product? Okay, you tell me. But first tell me what is this? For example, this we called they were benzene. What is this benzene? Not benzene. What is the structure?
Benzoline.
Sure, benzoylene.
No, no, Fulvari, ma'am.
Exactly.
The first one is
But
Solvent,
I
the
don't
second
know
one
the
is
exact spelling. Okay, you just check in your books, textbooks. This is fulvarin. This is your what you were saying. Another name, benzoylene. You just please check the names. Okay, I'm not confident in spelling. Okay, tell me how benzoylene is forming. Let me check now only their spelling. Till that time, tell me how you are forming benzoylene. Yeah, I was right, students. It is benzoylene only. Benzvalene. Okay, benzoylene, and this is your fullerene. I hope you are solving. Should I wait or explain? Pinky?
Ma'am, this
Okay, okay, I'm waiting. You solve.
ma'am, this intermediate, deuterionic intermediate, that allylic means that carbocation.
Hmm.
We write one as a double bond and the other carbon is, if we write as an allylic carbocation, then that positive and negative will form bond and will get benzene.
Uh, but I'm saying, can't you do just this? You have to just meet them.
That one only, that one only. Yeah,
Yeah.
right. That one only. I am
Okay,
telling.
okay. So now toughest, not toughest. Tell me how they are forming this fullerene. Benzoylene, so it was very clear. Positive, negative. Just they are form these two. See, one ring is this, one ring is this, three membered. Another ring is this, and five member ring with double bond. Okay. So fullerene. Let me ease your work. Now tell me.
But if we do like that,
It is very easy. See, let me draw for you. If you are here, your your homework today, your homework today is please go and please redraw all these structures. Okay, then it will be more clear to you. You have to practice. Have you all taken sir's lecture?
yes, ma'am.
So
But after,
there you understood how he is forming these products.
Ma'am, when I see the sales lecture, that time I understand, but after that I forgot
Hmm.
because I am starting revising now, so it's very
Okay.
confusing.
So, see, what you have to do, this negative charge will come here, no doubt. You just break this bond. Clear? This will be like this. This will be like this. This negative charge will come here. Have I made mistake anywhere? Positive, negative. Okay, I have made mistake anywhere.
Bling.
Have you thought any explanation for this, Fulvarin, Pinky?
No, ma'am, I also broke like that and I got the benzene ring.
Okay, and another possibility of making this Fulvarin. Okay, one thing is clear
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Yeah, if we make this three-membered ring, no?
Hmm.
Three-membered ring, if we break the bond, one side is negative, another side is positive, then one double bond will come inside the five-membered ring and one exo double bond will come. Positive, negative, positive,
So
negative.
you are saying basically you have to break either this bond or this bond in
Uh,
order
uh,
to make Fulvarin.
and the other one, where the arrow you have shown inside the ring.
This
Inside.
arrow.
This one, if we break,
But if you break this arrow, you will get six membered ring.
no, no, ma'am. If I break this bond as a
Okay.
positive and negative,
Okay. Then
now what I'm telling,
okay.
now that
You tell me step by step. I will do
yes,
exactly
yes, ma'am.
whatever I have explained. Whatever I understood from your ways, you are
Uh,
saying I should do this. This will be negative as as I break this bond. Now here positive is there.
no, not this one, ma'am. This one I also do, but what I'm telling, the direction of the arrow, the previous molecule, whatever you showed, no, the negative is coming towards the left side.
Hmm.
Now, instead of left side, if we bring the negative to the right side,
Okay. 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 Wait.
and that
You are saying like this.
this one, and the
Very good. Very
other
good. Now
bond
you
will move
are.
to the other side.
Huh. Now tell me what you have to and like this.
Same benzene we are getting. Mm. Again, benzene only we are
Now
getting.
what should I do?
Then, if in that carbon negative will come, and same benzene only we are getting.
Hmm. So what will be the yara? Okay, you think on this. We will do this practice at the end of the class. We will make all the possibility and we will reach to this structure, right?
Mm.
Okay. So just wait for the end of the class. But you were thinking in correct way. You just have to keep two things in mind that you have to have this five membered ring. So you
Mm.
can't break this middle bond, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Think on this. We will discuss in the end of the class. Good. Okay. This is let me give you a hint for solving this question. You should go by your singlet mechanism, or I should say Zwitterianic mechanism. Let me write question for you. First read question. Which of the OET group will be replaced by OH group in this reaction? In this, what I should say, SNAR reaction. Your okay, let me number this. One, two, three. Your option A is one. Your option B is two. Your option C is 2 and 3. Your option D is 1 and 3. Take 1 minute time and then come to me. Okay. Please think in a zwitterionic form. This is your benzene. H mu is given. You have to make its that structure which is there in H mu in singlet excited state, and then think for the answer.
Ma'am, two numbered will be replaced.
Okay. So this is Pinky, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Pinky is saying uh, OET number 2 will be the correct answer. Okay. Who all are others present here? Shrabashti. What is your answer on that? When you have exam,
28, ma'am.
oh, time is there. We will be having our extra class on 17th March. Okay. There I will revise from electrocyclic to this class, everything.
What time? 17, same time.
17, I think I have chosen 7 to 9 time. I think. Let me check. Yeah, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. 17th March. Okay. Please
Ma'am,
join the class. We will revise each and every concept there. And whatever I have left, I have tried my best to cover all that sir has covered, but in this 1 to 2 hour, whatever it is possible, I do.
ma'am, from 8 it is not possible.
Actually, it is not in my hands. They already floated the form. We have to fill that. And now it is 7 to 9 only. Do you have class at that time?
Actually, that time I travel. No, that time I'll be on the way back only. That's why I'll be in bus. That's why.
Okay, no issue. No, they will provide you YouTube link. There you can see. But
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
better to attend live.
Yeah, yeah.
You can ask your doubts.
Hmm.
Okay, whoever will tell me the mechanism for benzene to that fulvalene, that will be chocolate question. Okay, at the end of the class. Okay, forget. See, I will give you hint, then you answer. Okay. This is your simple benzene. Now benzene can have two structure possible. If I want on cyclopropane carbon negative charge, it will be your negative, positive, then positive, negative. This will be your positive. Yes, this is possible. Or I can draw its resonating structure like this also. Negative, positive double bond. One possibility is this. Other possibility is you can have that carbocation outside your ring. Now tell me, in with respect to this question, will it go via this one pathway or two pathway?
Ma'am, I think it should be the one
One
pathway
pathway, one pathway.
because
Now you
nitro
very
will
well know
become
that
different.
if nitro is here, okay, this I am making with respect to question. If
Mm.
nitro is here, OET will be here.
Mm.
At which positions these carbocations are stable? At carbon at this na 1 and 3. So they
Mm.
will be replaced by your OH.
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the correct answer
Okay.
will be your 1 and
Okay.
3.
Yeah.
One and three.
Understood how I am referring these?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the solution. So these type of questions will come in exam, right?
Okay.
So you have to think like this way. You have to draw these structures repeatedly so that they come handy to you. Okay.
Ma'am, will it be a, it's saying it is going to be a pen and paper exam?
That I don't know actually. I think it is online exam only, na?
No, no, ma'am. It's
No,
offline.
ma'am, it's showing offline pen and paper.
Pen and
Offline.
paper. Yeah, yeah. It's
But
offline, ma'am.
okay. But previously I think they take online.
No, ma'am. It's a pen and paper offline exam.
Okay. Then though I'm not having any clue. Actually, our work is only to make you solve these questions. We don't know
Okay.
other
Yes,
informations.
it's okay.
All the best for your exams. Prepare well. Okay, now let's come to next problem. Think. One thing I'm stating you in before only. This will not undergo 4 plus 4 cycloaddition. Okay, if you are thinking in a that way. No. Take your time and tell me. Have you studied Fry's rearrangement?
Yes, ma'am.
It is close to that. Now solve. Okay, let's solve. Okay, what is your first step? How are you thinking? Let me know your. You can discuss with me, both of you, how you are thinking for this. Which bond you are cleaving first, students, in order. In this reaction, you have to cleave this one.
Single bond though is going to form radical homolytic cleavage.
Among 1 and 2, which bond will cleave?
The naphthalene carbon single bond are two carbon single bonded to O.
You just give me 1 minute. Can I write it like this? O dot. This is. Oh, sorry. You very well know that acyl radical is also stable.
Stable.
Hmm. This is clear. Now this bond will cleave. Double bond O. Now this is there. Now these two radicals will combine. So the correct answer is, I hope you understood why I have written double bond OH. Because after radical radical combination, tautomerism will take place in order to get aromaticity back. Clear? So this is your solution. In exam, they can also give you the para product. Okay. Para means no. Here only this possibility is there. Understood, Pinky and
Ma'am,
huh.
how to find out it will go to radical mechanism and zwitter ionic mechanism?
Just by studying that, if you have gone through the Fry's rearrangement, there you actually see in organic everything is possible. I understood. Only thing which you should know, you have to go through slides and you have to check how this type of molecules are undergoing which type of reaction, right? Instead of this, if it is if instead of OCOCH3, if it is there OMe, then you have to do 4 plus 4 cycloaddition there, right? As you have seen in previous slides.
Hmm.
See,
Hmm.
if in place of OMe, OCOCH3, OMe is there, you have to make these products. Yeah, ask what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. At this slide, I am having some doubt, which you have asked me, Pinky, head to head. This thing also we will discuss. Okay, please remind me at the end of the class. Now I am also having doubt. Okay. Before that, let's study the last important topic, which is photochemistry of singlet oxygen. Now tell me, in molecular orbital theory, your O2 is in which state? Singlet or triplet? Simple molecular orbital theory. You remember na this type of 1s.
Hmm.
This is your 2s. This is your 2p2, sorry, 2px 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 2py and 2pz. As per that molecular orbital theory, your O2 is singlet or triplet?
Singlet, ma'am.
Shrabashti, what is the electronic configuration of oxygen? 1s2, 2s2, 2p? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. 6, right?
Hmm.
So it will
Hmm.
be 2p4. What happened to your basics? So 1s, 2s, you all guys are clear. This is your 2p4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, here px py will come or pz will come as per energy order.
Mm, mm,
In total, 8 electrons will be there in O2, right? One,
mm,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So tell
mm.
me, here, okay, take your time and just tell me what will be the order of 2pz and pxpy. Students, what happened to you? You are not, you all are in BSc or your MSc?
Right. Mm, mm,
Above one, I have made it correctly. This is your px, this is your py, this is your pz. Below one,
one is 2s.
you are saying this. Okay, check it if you are saying correctly. See, in total 8 electrons are there.
Mm,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whether you know the order of these two, forget about it, but you should know the order of these. Now 2 electrons are remaining. 7, 8. Yes or no?
mm,
So students, if you are saying they will be in separate orbitals, then as per 2s plus 1, half and half 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1. So that O2 in a simple state it is triplet oxygen.
mm.
Understood? Why simple ground state oxygen is triplet?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood now everything. See, these are your spin student. Half spin, half spin. They will add or, and will give you S1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. This is your triplet oxygen. But singlet oxygen is reactive for your photochemical reactions. Therefore, it is written on arrow H mu. If you have studied Rose Bengal reaction, this is your Rose Bengal reaction, in which you are given diene and your dienophile is your this singlet oxygen, and in presence of 4 plus 2 condition, means thermal condition, it will undergo this de-Solder reaction and it will give you endo peroxide. Clear, students? For
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
here they will be 2 plus 2 cycloaddition between olefin and your this dienophile, O double bond O, and you will get dioxetane. How this slide will help you in exam, if anywhere there it oxygen is written O2 and clearly this 1O2, then you have to do these reactions. 2 plus 2 possible, 4 plus 2, this is a in reaction. I have discussed with you in reaction also. Correct? And here so they are just oxidizing it. So here they have explained two roles of molecular oxygen. One is in it in reaction as a cycloaddition component, and other thing is they can help in oxidation. Clear? Sulfide to sulfoxide, phosphine to phosphine oxide. I hope it is
Mm,
clear.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So in exam, one page you should remember of your oxygen also, reactions of oxygen. In simple ground state, oxygen is in which excited state? Singlet or triplet? Triplet.
Yeah, triplet.
On exposure to photochemical condition, it changes to singlet.
The singlet.
Good, very good. If good, this is quite good question. You have to think on it and take your time and tell me. Let me read for you. The key reaction that results in the formation of highly substituted phenolic ring. Key reaction that results in the formation of highly substituted phenolic ring of an antifungal agent, mycophenolic acid is provided below. Okay, they are just asking the mechanism how you are getting this aromatic ring by this. For this question, I will give you a hint. Go from your first class of electrocyclic reaction. Okay, take 2 minutes time and then I will come to this question. Try to solve by yourself. Students, here this order will be reversed here. This we will see till nitrogen. Above nitrogen, this order is reversed. Okay. What is your first step
Ma'am, the first step is the ring opening.
of this?
Uh,
Very good, very good.
then, ma'am, if we go for that Diels-Alder reaction,
Very good.
but the position of the OH and all that is, I don't remember.
Take your time and solve. Diels-Alder reaction with what? Alkyne or your this Me? C double bond.
Alkyne, ma'am.
Okay, alkyne. Then and see by doing this, this Me and CH2OR dash are fit now. Th- uh, think from this side.
Hmm. Ma'am, this methyl position is correct. That in between methyl is in between CH2O and
Yes, yes, it is correct.
but if we go for the Diels-Alder reaction,
As you are saying me, I am going through that pathway. You are saying like this, na? But if you will do 4 plus 2 cycloaddition between this, here that OME is just next to your ME. But
that's
how can you?
that's what problem is there. I have also stuck there only.
Yeah.
The substituents.
Okay, can I give you hint? Ketenes undergo which type of cycloadditions in thermal
Two,
condition?
two,
Try with that also.
2 plus 2.
You try every possibility. One possibility will take you to the product. When you are done, just tell me so that I can show you the solution. So time up. So the solution for this is like this. Let me explain you step by step. So as I've told you, our first step will be ketene formation, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
step is clear. Then there is 2 plus 2 photocycloaddition between your OME,
Yeah, I got it.
between your alkyne and this group.
Yeah.
Clear. After
Again,
that, after that, after that, now the stage is set for 6 pi electrocyclization,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
and
ma'am.
then tautomerism will lead to product
Yeah,
formation.
yeah.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. I was confused in the numbering.
Yeah.
Now it's right.
It was very good question. Let me write here. Okay. Wait. So our first step was very clear that we have done what do we call that? Electrocyclic
Ring
ring
opening.
ring opening reaction. Very good. Then we know that by 4 plus 2 we were not getting this product. Okay, we have tried but we were not getting that product. So in thermal condition, 2 plus 2 reaction can't take place, but between ketene and olefin can take place. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So that has happened. Very good. After that, we have got another this type of system,
Hmm.
cyclobutene system. So
Hmm.
again, ERO will form. After ERO, 6 pi electrocyclic ring closing, and then the tautomerism.
Totally.
So if we look at this question, nothing was hard, but we have to think by looking at this product.
Hmm.
If this product is not given, obviously everyone think for first they will do electrocyclic ring opening, then 4
Hmm.
plus 2.
Hmm.
Okay, so good, you have tried. This is your homework question. We will discuss in our summary class. Think for it, right? Okay, I hope this is last question. Take again 1 minute time. In this reaction sequence, tell intermediate A and stereo of hydrogen attached. Start. This start we will solve together. This question. You just have to help me. How should I start? So you tell me.
Again, first ring opening, ma'am.
Wrong.
Electricity.
Wrong. Why? Because if ring
Oh,
opening happens, why this group is intact in product?
okay, okay, wait,
So
wait,
your
wait.
first move is wrong. Now tell me. Okay, before you solve this question, I just want to give you one hint. If let's say this type of system is given to you and here leaving group is there. Okay. And externally you are adding one nucleophile onto this. What it will do? Leaving group, nucleophile, O negative. O negative will come back, this negative will come back, and it will knock off this leaving group, right? And at position of leaving group, there will be nucleophile. This thing is clear.
Yeah, okay.
If it
Hmm.
is clear, now tell me how should I start? You
Ma'am,
both
that CH allies that carbon will attack to that OMe, single OMe
very
carbon.
good, very good, very good. But let me form that product. Along with me, please, you guys also make the product, okay?
Yeah,
Because
ma'am, is it like Michael addition?
yeah, yeah, Michael addition, exactly. Only the leaving group will leave. OMe, C double bond O. Can I write directly? C double bond PH PH. Am I correct here, students? Because this is Li, means negative charge. This is a nucleophile. It has attacked onto here. OMe will knock off and you will get this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what should I do?
Now, now that
Think, and tell me.
okay. Hmm.
How you have to think in all the pericyclic and photochemistry question based on products given to you.
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
various possibilities are there as you have stated, and you are true also. Okay, if I write this intermediate in somewhat modified way, just tell me if I am
Hmm.
correct.
6 pi electron being closing.
Clear? Double bond next to it, pH, pH, and then OMe, OMe, and here C double bond O. Now, are they in conjugation?
Yes, ma'am.
Heating is there.
6 pi
6
electron ring.
pi heating. What is the mode of ring closure?
Disrotatory.
Sure, correct. Okay. If that is correct, you please write the product in your copy. I am also writing. pH, pH, OME, OME, CO. I hope till this point everything is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Now, what has happened? What is remaining in this? See, your COOME. Good. It is there. You are with your six-membered ring that is fused with six-membered ring. Good. Only
Mm.
thing remaining is that this,
Mm.
what it will do, and with what.
Yeah. Do it.
I have solved everything for you. You have to think here. Take your time and tell me.
Do it.
4 plus 2 cycloaddition.
Yes, ma'am. 4 plus 2 cycle addition, but
Then you will get six-membered ring fused with your six-membered ring and two four-membered ring, right? Can you do this by
uh,
yourself so that you can learn? I have given you enough hint. From this intermediate, how you will go to here, here. Think for that, right? Okay, students, will you do now? I will discuss with this same question in next summary session. Till then, think onto this problem. And now we will come to our original chocolate question, full valid. Pinky and other student, Shrabashti.
this one, if
Yeah.
we go for that solid reaction, then two rings will form. No?
Where, Pinky? Tell me.
That this one, that
This step.
question. If we go for the solid reaction,
Huh?
then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and one three-member ring will also form.
So I am not saying na कि after this step only 4 plus 2 reaction will take. You have to think on this.
Okay.
I have only told you the suggestion, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have to think in every possible way and then you have to draw these possible products. I can give you hint. You can do retrosynthesis of this. Retro, you know na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Huh. It means here 2 plus 2 reaction can be possible, right?
Mm-hmm.
So every possibility you make, you try, and we will this will be our first question in summary session. Okay. Can we move back to full valin? And this is also your homework. Remember. Okay. So two homework. This one and that last question.
2 plus 2, but photochemical condition. No, ma'am.
In last, in
Heating
this
is.
question you are talking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to think for this.
Mm.
If heating is there, you have to choose a reaction which will go via heating.
Mm.
Okay, so we were at this question. How will you make that full varim? Before that, students, let's go to this. L- Let us be clear in this. Otherwise, no use. I don't know why eraser is not coming. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I don't know what happened. Okay. Can I draw the four-membered ring like this? Sorry. Six-membered ring like this. One, two, three, four, and these are your two carbons, five, six. Can you imagine this?
Yes, ma'am.
Only from six-membered ring, I have taken two carbons up and written it. So that these two junction now can do any type of reaction, either 4 plus 4 or 4 plus 2. Clear? Right? Okay. So if I say this is your one carbon, this is your two carbon, three carbon, four carbon. Okay. And if I look at here, so see,
Ma'am,
your first
ma'am,
yeah, I'm my
pointer is not visible, ma'am. Pointer.
I think some network issue is there. Just give me a minute. Uh, Now my pen is visible. Pinky.
Yes, ma'am. Show once again.
This
Pink.
this ring is visible. This ring.
Yeah.
Okay. I was saying, can I write this six-membered middle six-membered ring like this? Okay.
Yes.
So that we can have that four plus four or either four plus two reaction between these two carbons. These two carbons are these, the terminal carbons. Correct. So
Mm-hmm.
at carbon number one, NO2 is there, right? So
Mm.
let's assume that carbon number one is here, this, and this is your carbon number four, correct?
Ma'am, nothing is visible, ma'am. No carbon. One, two, three, four.
Uh, I don't know what has happened. Just let me refresh.
You are drawing on the twisted form, no? Twisted board
Huh.
form numbering.
Just let me refresh. If now this is clear. One fourth. Is this visible to you? Carbon number one. This is your carbon number four. It is visible, right? Pinky.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank God, thank God. Okay, if you look at this is your which carbon? Carbon number 1, and this is your carbon number 4,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So, if you look at this, carbon number 1 is connected to carbon number 4, and carbon number 4 is connected to carbon number 1.
Yes, good.
So if as per polarity wise, if we see, they are calling it head to head.
Yeah.
Sir has called this head to head or head to tail? You tell me that first. I think head to head only.
Head to it. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your head to head 4 plus 4 as I've discussed at that time. See, this is your carbon number 1. This is your carbon number 1. This is your 4. This is your 4. So when 1 to 1 and 4 to 4, polarity wise we are going reverse way. So
Plus,
it is
yeah.
your head to tail. In that
Okay.
way you can remember.
Okay.
Okay, by that connectivity pattern.
Mm-hmm.
So when the substitution is at middle ring,
Mm.
you have these two isomers possible: 1,1,4,4 or 1,2,4 or 4,2,1. But
Mm.
when you have naphthalene type of system, these two possibilities are there. They can meet. They can meet at same side,
Yeah.
and they
Mm.
can one ring can be shifted to other side.
Yes.
I want to say that benzene will come at right side, and
Mm.
this OMe containing benzene ring will go to left side. Then you
Mm.
will get this product.
Okay.
So
Mm.
in only these two possibility you should remember for exam, and your questions will be done. Now understood
Yes, ma'am.
these type reactivity of these type of systems.
Mm-hmm.
But as per my observation, what I have understood is that these reactions will take place when that X is any electron withdrawing or electron donating group.
Mm.
Okay. In other cases, it is not going like that. Okay. Other last doubt which we have in today's slide is fullerene.
Mm.
Let's do this practice and end the class. Actually, my eraser is also not working. I don't know why. Okay, let it be. So you have one thing is clear for this fullerene. You have to go from this intermediate. This intermediate to this. Now you both tell me, now you both tell me each possibility so that I can make fullerene. Hmm. Tell me. See, one thing is clear, you can't break this bond.
Mm.
If this bond breaks, you will get 6-membered ring, no use. You need 5-membered ring, that is clear. You have to break one of these two bonds, right?
Mm.
So let's say here double bond is there. Here positive and negative will form that this bond, double bond. Okay. Negative. This will be your negative. Then only this double bond can form. Now
Yeah.
here positive will come. But this is your carbene.
Mm.
Now what you will do? Hmm. Tell me. So it is like this, students. Have you seen this na double bond N2,
Mm.
right? You can write it like this also.
Mm.
N2 will leave. Now you have to think how they have written this carbene to fullerene. And if you have another mechanism, please tell me. Can you tell me any possible reason how they are writing this carbene form to this what we call it alkylidene type of system? Okay, think. We will discuss this also in next class. But this intermediate is correct, right? So you think from here only. We will discuss it in next class. Clear? Pinky and Shrabashri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm
Yeah,
hearing. I'm trying to do that.
because
Mm,
no other possibility is there instead of that.
mm,
Instead of that carbene formation. Okay.
mm.
I will read about this more and will come to you in next class. In next class, if I forgot, please remind me first this fulvarin, that last question. That intermediate is correct. You have to think from that intermediate. Okay.
Ma'am, I have some doubts from previous this classes, tutorial classes. Ma'am, that 1315 shifting, 17 shifting, that yeah, you told that you will teach later. Is
Okay, I
not.
have. Okay, that topic is also left, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Let me write now only 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, and 1, 7 sigma tropic
17
shift.
shifting. Huh.
Okay, that I will take in.
Hmm.
Okay, are you getting questions from this type of sigma tropic rearrangements in exams?
Yeah, that you have done, but you told that this 1315 and 17 hydrogen and alkyl group shifting you will do later.
Yeah, good. Now you have reminded me. I will take all these topics in summary session.
Ma'am, one more I am having I am confused between this Hakel type and Mobius type aromaticity.
Okay, this also you want me to cover Huckel and Mobius theory.
Uh,
This is actually, for example, there are three what I would say, three rules in pericyclic: your frontier molecular orbital approach, Woodward-Hoffman rule, and
mm,
another one is your this Huckel-Mobius theory. This
mm,
goes via aromaticity principle. Okay,
yeah.
this I okay. I will bring slides. Then also then only I can explain. Okay.
Mhm, mm.
I have written. I will. You can tell me other topics also, which I should include in summary session.
Okay, ma'am.
One is your Huckel-Mobius theory. Other is your 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7 sigma tropic shift. Other than that,
Other than two doubts are there in two slides that I'll message you, ma'am.
okay,
I
you
try
message
to.
me so that I can include in
Yeah.
my summary
Okay,
session.
ma'am. By the time in 2 days I'll study little bit more also. Then if
Okay.
from there if any doubts that also I'll include.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
wait. Just wait for 1 minute.